to the Mark and Gigi channel. Today, I'm going to be making a bunch of different types of smoothies with my little sister. Mark is currently not here right now. Maybe he'll be coming in during the middle of the video. But yeah, these smoothies that we are making are sugar-free fruit smoothies. They are going to be super healthy, so you should try these if you are interested in no sugar smoothies and just want a healthy smoothie that tastes amazing. So without further ado, let's get to the kitchen and make these smoothies. First, we're gonna make the banana, strawberry, apple juice smoothie, and then we're gonna make some other stuff. So we got blender, some chopped bananas in there.
So now we are making the strawberries right now. We are just trying them.
Yeah, we don't need to cut the banana. All we have to do for the strawberries is just cut the green off. Yeah. Okay, now we need 1 1/4. That's 1/4. One of these ones.
Gigi, can I pour it in the blender?
Yeah.
Okay. This one?
Yep.
Gigi, it is pink. Let me taste it.
It's good. Wanna try? It's good.
It is.
This picture.
You want some more?
That's good. That's really good. Daddy, I'm good.
Yum. Okay, next smoothie we're going to make is a blueberry strawberry smoothie. So this one says it's a very good workout smoothie. First, it asks for 1.5 cup of strawberries. I don't know how much that is exactly.
Yes.
So you can have a bunch. So we're just gonna cut all the strawberries up.
Okay.
Okay, so this is 1 cup of strawberries into
the blender.
And now we just need a 1/2 cup, so that's probably just like 2 more strawberries. Here's our 1/2 cup, that's like 3 strawberries. Put that in our blender. Next, we gotta do 1 cup of blueberries. You can pour this one out.
Okay.
So we'll just put it in here. So pour these are frozen blueberries. We thought these would be better than fresh ones. I don't know why. Yeah. This is a lot of blueberries. Wanna try one?
No, thank you.
So good.
Gigi, I said no, thank you. I said no, thank you.
This one's gonna be so good. I think this one's gonna be my favorite because I love blueberries. That's why. Okay, and next is a 1/2 cup of ice cubes. So we have our ice right here. Okay. Post in the thing. Now we're going to just get a little bit of apple juice. So I'm just going to add a tiny bit of this just so it has like more liquid, you know. There we go. That's good. my favorite. Okay, the next one we're going to make is a blueberry banana smoothie. First thing we need is our 3 tablespoons of water. That's 1, 2, 3. Next thing is 1.5 cup of frozen blueberries. So here's 1 cup. Did I already say that I love blueberries? Because I do. And I actually don't want to make a lot like I did the other time. So I'm just gonna use that. I'm just gonna do 1 cup. And then I'm gonna do half a banana. Take a little peel. Ooh, that is satisfying. Look at that. I never had this experience before. So 3 of these, I guess, of soy milk. I'm just gonna do 1 or 2 though, because again, I don't want a lot. So this is soy cream. It probably looks the same, right? Though. So I'm just gonna do 1 of these. 1 part. There we go. I might need more water too. So
It's not good. No, it's not.
okay, so now
Better.
put this in the blender. Okay, so I'm gonna pour this. Never mind, scratch that. This one's my favorite. I love this one. Oh my god. So super good.
Let me have some.
The soy creamer makes it. It's so good.
Just a little bit.
Dad, do you want to try this one?
It's really good.
This one's like the best.
That is so good. That's the best one I ever had.
This one's the best. Yay! So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you can get a notification whenever we post a new video. Comment down below which one you would like to try, or if you have tried all of these, then which one was your favorite? Mine was definitely the blueberry banana soy milk. So good. Like, water's nothing compared to this. This is like... Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!